Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Ink. In today's quick video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fix the two red flashing lights on your DTF printer. Now if you guys haven't seen the previous video on how to fix the two red flashing lights on your DTF printer, make sure to click right up here. This is the second part of it because this is actually a different type of problem. So when you turn on your printer and you actually hold down the green button, you're going to see that the two lights, they turn on like this. Now this has to do with something with the ink pump. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually fix this, and I know how you feel. You might feel like, oh my god, this stopped me in my production, and you might feel hopeless. I'll break this down in very easy steps. All that you need is in the description and the first few links. And as well, if you guys want to support the channel, a few links down below. There's a few Amazon affiliate links. Each time you click one of them and you buy something on Amazon within 24 hours, you guys are helping out the channel with no additional cost to you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and without further ado, let's fix these two red flashing lights. So guys, I got the engineers of this printer to be able to actually fix this problem. I'll be commentating and following along with the camera, and I'll also be posting the video that they send me on the channel, so there's going to be two uploads. You're going to open up Partner V9. After you're in Partner V9, you guys want to search for daily maintenance and copy the file that we have in the description, first link. You're going to copy this. You can just drag and drop. So after the file is finally downloaded, guys, the next step is going to be to open up the file. We're going to click on this, and then we're going to click on Resetter right here. Sorry for the angle, guys. Resetter. Click on this. And then from there, guys, you want to click on Particular Adjustment Mode. After that is clicked, you want to click on Waste Ink Pad Counter and click OK. After this, guys, you want to click on these two and then click Initialize and then OK. And then please turn off the printer. You want to turn off the printer. Now, once the printer is turned off, you can click OK. Please reboot the printer. So then you just want to click on the printer once again. There we go, guys, and then you want to click OK. Cut out the old file in this case. We're gonna just delete the old file, guys. So this is the new one, and as you guys see, no more flashing lights. It's really as simple as that, guys. So if you guys found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Ink. Make a print, you'll never forget.